Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Braun 4-foot LED hanging shop light from Harbor Freight. Picked this up today. Need a light here over the workbench, so pick this up and figure we'll see how it goes. Hang in there. Okay. So, this thing up. Okay, comes with some chain. Nothing else in there. Instructions. Don't need no instructions. Alright, looks like this thing comes ready to use out of the box. Nice packaging here. Okay, it's got a good long power cord, looks like here. And it's grounded. And I'm just gonna get that off. Okay, so I mean nothing too fancy here, just a 4-foot shop light. Looks like it's got about a 5-foot cord on it. So let's hang this thing up and see how it does. Okay, so it comes with 2 short lengths of chain and 2 S-hooks. And if you look on the light here, there's two little spots to attach them. I believe these will go through there like this, and you can hang it. I'm actually gonna split this chain and see if I can run it. Yeah, this is pretty chintzy chain. I'm just gonna go ahead and split this and see if I can throw this on there directly so I can use the S-hooks on the top. Okay guys, so we got it mounted, and I gotta say this puppy is bright. A lot of illumination here. You go ahead and turn this off. I've probably got to redo the mounting just a smidge here because I want to get it a little tighter to the get a little bit tighter here to the bottom of this shelf. The one thing I don't like up here on the top, of course you can't see now, but there's no slots. There's no slots if you want to screw this directly to the bottom of a cabinet or a shelf. You have to use the chain that comes with the hang it. So I wish they had a couple of slots, because I'm thinking now, as low as this is hanging, I kind of want to just hard mount it to the bottom of that shelf. I may try to rig something up, but you know, other than that, it's a pretty solid little light aluminum housing. Got a pull chain switch, nice extension cord. It puts out a lot of light. Puts out a good amount of light here over the workbench. Wouldn't mind having a couple more of these in a few other places here in the shop that get kind of dark. Picked this up today for 20 bucks with the coupons. Normally normally $29.99. Got it today for $19.99. If you look at the coupons, usually that's where you find them at. I think it does pretty good for the money. I know there's probably some other brands you can pick up on eBay or Amazon for about the same price. But you know, I was in Harbor Freight today and just walked in, and you know, I was like, you know, I need some light over the workbench, and I think this fit the bill. So I think it's a good value for 20 bucks. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.